Welcome. If you want to set up Face Unlock in your BLACKVIEW A60 Pro, for the first you have to go for the settings, and after that we have to scroll down to reach the Face Unlock option. Click here to enroll the face, input your currently locked method, and here we have to read the description, then tap to start enroll, click OK, and as you can see we have to keep our face a little bit closer to the camera. And right now the smartphone is going to start recognize our face, but it's still too far away. Okay, so as you can see we have to keep our face really close, and right now we can try to unlock the device, and let's check if the face unlock is working properly. And yes, here it is. So that's how it looks on this device. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel. See ya!